Hi guys, it's Elise and today we're looking a little dead. Today we're gonna do a skull look. It should be fairly easy. I'm gonna go in using this Profusion Festival palette and also this NK Poison Apple palette. Now we're gonna move to the mouth. I'm gonna take my Profusion eyeliner and just draw out a skull mouth. Go in with this black and kind of shade this black right here, these reds that I use on my eyes, and start shading. The skull teeth. I am so bad at drawing noses. This Aurora Lights palette, and I'm probably gonna end up putting this color in the middle to kind of shiny it up. Some lashes and see if this is gonna look any better than the monstrosity we have now on my face. Okay, so here's the look. That was tedious. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, something, I don't know. Yeah, hopefully we'll do something better looking in the next video. Bye.